So today I want to talk about what to do when you're working in Camunda and you find that you have somehow corrupted or failed to save, or somehow you run into a scenario where the BPM file that you're working with is no longer available to you. Maybe you tried to add in a swim lane and you ran into that bug, or maybe someone deleted it without creating a milestone, or maybe you didn't put it into your source control repository. If that happens to you, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a way that you can use the Camunda secret APIs, the hidden APIs, in order to recover your process. So here's what you're going to do. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to actually open up your model and you're going to duplicate the tab so that you can then go over to operate. So grab the ID of the process that you want, and when you go to operate, you're going to delete anything past the cluster ID and you're going to append swaggerui.html. And then you're going to find the ID of the process that you want. And then you're going to just go and search for the process definitions and say search by size. When I do this, I'm lazy, so I normally just choose a really big size like 500 and I'll execute the search. Once I execute the search, I'll find the ID of the widget that I want and then I'll copy it specifically. I'll do that, I'll grab the key, and then I'll go over to this other third API that can actually use the key to render the XML. From there, I'll put in the key, I'll solicit the XML out for the deployed version that I'm looking for. Once I have that, I'll copy it to the clipboard, I'll load up my desktop process modeler, and you can actually see that it's got XML in there. I'll open a brand new BPMN file, I'll go over to the XML, I will paste in that XML, I'll switch back over, and boom. Now you can see that you've actually recovered your process. Now, of course, you should be using great hygiene practices like backing up and doing milestones, and you should probably have some kind of a listener that goes out every time you save a file and checks it into source control and all that kind of stuff. But no one's perfect, I'm not perfect, and sometimes these things happen. If you find yourself in a position where you have to recover, hopefully this can really help you do that. Alright, I hope this has been useful to you. I hope that you will comment and provide some feedback and suggestions on other sorts of things that you'd like to see around Camunda 8. Thank you very much.